Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Git integration in Visual Studio Code. Let's get started. First, open your project and go to Source Control. In Source Control, initialize your repository. After that, select Files to stage changes, or you can stage all changes. Tap on plus next to changes, and files have been marked with a letter. It means edit. After you add your files to staged changes, then you can add a message. For example, initial commit. Pay attention that we have a master branch. After you can commit changes, or you can commit and push to GitHub your changes. Click commit and push. To publish your changes, click on publish branch. After that, select private or public repository. I choose private repository, and changes successfully published to GitHub. Open on GitHub, and we have two files with initial commit. That's good. And what if we want to change the branch? To do this, click on master branch, and we can create new branch or create new branch from. I want to create new branch from a master branch. Branch name is new text. Enter. Select a branch from which we will create our new text branch. It can be a local master branch or it can be GitHub master branch. Choose it, and we can edit new text branch. For example, we can change the title. It will be Studio Coder title, and we have the blue line. It means that we changed this line. If we delete any line, we have the red arrow, and if we add a new line, we have the green vertical line. In source control, we have index.html file with m letter. It means modified. We can compare previous and current version of code. To do this, double-click on index.html, and we have two versions of this file. We can see changes in one file. To do this, tap on three dots at the top right and select Inline View. Now we have one file with changes. We can make changes here, for example, add exclamation marks, and we see changes in this file. After we change our file, we can add changes to GitHub. To do this, commit changes with new text message, commit. Would you like to stage all your changes and commit them directly? Yes. We can publish the changes in a new text branch. To do this, click Publish Branch, or we can add changes from new text branch to master branch on GitHub. To do this, we need to merge branches. To do this, let's switch to master branch, click on New Text Branch, then select Master Branch. We have changes in master branch. To add changes from new text branch, click on three dots at the top right of the source control. Next, select Branch, click on Merge Branch, and select a branch to merge from. Select New Text Branch, add a message, for example, New Text, and click on Sync Changes to push one commits to master branch. This action will pull and push commits to origin master branch. OK, let's check. Open the GitHub, refresh the page, and we have new index.html file which has been edited 9 minutes ago. Let's open this file, and we have changes. We have exclamation marks which we add to in a master branch. That's good. If you want to clone any repository from GitHub to Visual Studio Code, then open this repository, select Code, switch to HTTPS tab, and copy this link. After that, open your Visual Studio Code, open the Command Palette, Ctrl-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P on the Mac, Write clone and select git clone. Provide repository URL and select clone from URL. Next, select repository location. Next, click open, and a repository from GitHub has been opened in Visual Studio Code. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, have a good coding. See you next time.